So we got a Camillus knife set here. Got it at the big box store on Wally World. 5-pack clip knives. I don't know, I just really liked it. I mean Camillus makes okay cheap knives, but 5 for 20 bucks. Well, that's $4 a piece. So I was gonna go ahead and just give people a general overview. Just cut through it maybe. See, it says 1-point drop point knife. So let me start there. See if I can get in there without, damaging it before I get to use it. All right. They definitely feel light. There's some metal frame inside underneath this plastic with its polymer. They run the clips at the top. Looks like a pretty good serrade. A little bit of a thumb stud. A little bit of stiffness going on, which should just work out over time. It's definitely a cheap knife. Cheaper than Kershaw. But not as cheap as a dollar store. So it's kind of like a middle of the road cheap knife. It just says Camillus on it. I'm not seeing any other markings. There is a liner locker. I tend to fare better with those. Alright, so set this one aside. And we got 2-piece drop point knives and 2-piece clip point knives. Okay. Alright. So that was the green. Looks like we've got one in kind of a silver or a matte. We got another one in black. Looks like they're kind of tan. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's step in. Let's go right down the stack. Okay, a little bit of a protector. Definitely a drop point. It's got kind of a spear type point, so it folds. Same. I guess it's got they've got some sort of a Camillus symbol in the clip there. Clip seems pretty good. Okay, thumb stud's nice for a little folder. It is cheap, but it's not like bending cheap. Alright. Next one. So that's kind of with our matte finish. Here is a black finish. Camillus. Same tan. Oh, we got a nice black pocket clip here. Liner locker. Looks like the liner locker does have a little bit of a ball bearing stuck in it. They've got Teflon washers. All in all, I'd say it's a pretty good cheap knife. It's definitely worth $4. If we're looking at how much it costs, looks like the rope cutting ability is left to the first one. It's the only one with serrades. These other two do not have serrades. 2-piece drop point knives. Alright, now we're going to get into the clip, 2-piece clip point knives. I'm not seeing any serrades. We've got black handles. One is kind of a matte or a kind of a brushed finish. The other one's kind of just black. Unless you're a gunman, then you're going to say blue. Let's go in. Pull it out, see what's up. Okay, looks like we're getting a little paper in the bottom. This must be Camillus's warranty paper. Caring for your Camillus knife. Thank you for purchasing a Camillus knife. Talks about their angle. Use a stone at an 18 to 22 degree angle. Okay. There's a bunch of other words I don't want. So this is a clip point knife. Okay. This kind of reminds me more of like a big, huge Bowie style. Well, again, we're continuing on. That's weird though. So this matte blade is definitely less shiny than this clip. This clip is shiny, and this is not that shiny. Liner locker, smooth action. That's nice. Kind of hits in the back, so it's all kind of standard. It is metal framed on the inside, but then you're looking at kind of a polymer outside. You've got a little bit of a pattern on here to hold on. It's not super aggressive. It's very molded, so it's cheap. But man, a little bit of hole in the back. They all come with a hole for the lanyard. All right, last clip point knife. We got a black handled, black knife. Here we go. It's tip protection. Still a little bit of oil on there. All right, we got the black clip on there. I really like it when the clip's on this side, but I guess that's okay. Maybe I can do some work later on and move that, like tap and die that over here. All right, well, we'll take a look at that later. Anyway, yeah, they all come out at the standard sharpness. Again, just black and kind of cheap. I guess that clip point, very stiff. I don't know, I wouldn't be afraid to cut something with this. Odd shape. I mean, it stays together good. I'm not afraid it's not loose. I'm not afraid it's gonna buck back on me. I think the liner locker is what really kind of gives me confidence in any kind of knife, especially if it's a cheap knife. It says since 1876, they're making some knives. Blades at 2.75 inches. Overall, they're 6.85 inches. And that one is the drop point. The clip points are 2.75 and 6.85, so they're the same. It's an ABS textured material. Got liner locker. It's not telling me metal. Oh, stainless steel. So we got some stainless steel here. Makes good for lock picks, but as far as metal goes, I mean, yeah, it's good knife material maybe for a standard pocket knife. I don't know if I'd want to defend myself with anything like that, but anyway, okay, so let's get them all kind of arranged here. Let's get them all kind of arranged here. Phone can run into low power mode, so kind of the order received. There we go. That's what you're kind of looking at. 20 bucks. Camillus quality knife since 1876. You get 1-piece drop point knife, 2-piece drop point knives. So the 1 piece must have the serrades, and then the 2-piece is just the regular straight blades, and then the 2-piece clip point knives down here, depending on your preference. But I mean, honestly, I don't know. I kind of like them. I mean, they're neat. I mean, right off the bat, let's just grab a random one. Here's our warranty card. I mean, I don't know that this necessarily proves anything, but you can see that they do come. I mean, they are sharp. Not that that's hard to do from factory. Anyway, and even probably pretty okay to carry in Washington State. That's really nice to have at least one rope cutter. I just feel like this kind of, that's a lot more effective for me for day-to-day use. But anyway, Camillus 5-pack set. Man, you could lose like 4 of them and still have one. Alright, thanks for watching.